Yo, Imperial, hear me now, brother. You need for do something fast. If it's even a boat, but we need for better. See me I say? You know a ticket right now for a normal airline, and this is a private jet. Probably like a sticky, brother. We need to do something, we need for better. No. Yeah, man. Just make it happen. You get that? Bless.
Brother, I don't talk to him about that already. I'm me not deal with. What I need for know him? To the man. All I know I know say I'm not getting the money. And from when I'm not getting the money, I'm not good. Alright. When you want to meet? May I go in and meet you now? I'm finish with that meeting there. I link you now. One. Oh boy. Yo, sometimes some of them you tell us hard to deal with, you know. I tell you.
Brother, you get the news about the boy Speng.
Yo, you know, said the last word on the street, he said the boy take a trip out Venezuela, and the boy lay low from him over there.
Yo, you know, say me, the boy that one. The boy end up killing my brother, you know. I'm bun about it, you know. It's a girl, new skin.
Yo, that's one of the disadvantages of being a twin, you know. Channel star.
Yo, you ever hear 7 brothers, 7 different minds? And about a lifestyle I'm going to about that. But it's just because me why I'm getting at that, you know. I'm hurt, my brother. I feel responsible for it, dog. Trust me.
Or yourself, man. You have some ace on the ground. Once the boy surface, we'll make you know where you're going.
Yo, bust more and bust off and throat and spit like myself. That me I tell you.
Or yourself, man. Him can run, but him can't hide.
Just make sure you let me know as soon as the music is made, you see me? Yo, this Xpressionz I use to. Yo, the man are holding up right now, brother. Because we have some paperwork and everything they can start now.
So to the politician boy we him saying that have in his pocket. To him.
That is our next story. I know him not do nothing. I need the man asked to give him some money to put towards the campaign. Brother, man just a drag him foot start. John, no.
So where I hold up the work on the top of the hill.
Yo, remember saying now, I forge the boy Carlton name. Them name and fiend name up on the papers, you know. So that need to clear up for me right now. See me I say? Cause if them running for me right now, the work got to stop. And that we don't want. But things just a move slow.
So who you want my page? Xpressionz or the politician boy?
No, my brother. We not do that with that. See me I say? Cause by now, I know Carlton supposed to know say, the name them up on the paper. See me I say? So, have to look about it a different way.
Yeah, but when I hear about that cartel no list boy, I hear say him dangerous. So if him find out him name up on the paper, then him not gonna come after you.
Them boy don't know danger yet. And one thing, boy hear about my man. And no one can just run with them.
They don't know the code, you know. Just say the word, you know. I will last any one of them.
That's the easy part, man. What we need to do is make sure them do what we want before we last them.
Well, I think you need to sit down with the Xpressionz or the politician boy. Because remember say I hear money I spend, you know. So they need to speed up the process.
There's a whole heap of money spent already, you know, brother. And we can't even push up made right now. Because the feds them all out of them there, you know, brother. So them just want to see me do something.
And then on top of it, the best place you could have lay low, your friend man no come back.
True, me respect her, brother. But I don't want to cause no trouble. But I tell you, if you get to what, I hope them have to go do the, you see me I say? Somebody have to go move out. Somebody move in. And no, who already move in.
Boss say all him a easy last, you know. Nobody not gonna miss him. I just used to tell me when I'm a last him feel.
Nah, brother. Look as I see him there, you know. Big man, you know. All time, killer from long time, from my father days. Germany, them man go prison, lock it down. I have to send him back out. See me I say? So, give him little ratings, you understand me? Thing that tough like mine still, cause young blood, you know, brother. Not busy them all boy there, like dinosaur them, but we give him the props. Couple community well, them all laugh, so think I go on, man.
From say so still. So you say what for do? Play it safe.
Yeah, man. I have to play it safe. Right now, everything needs to be strategic.